2008 Honda. Already been working on this starter going in. Brand new starter. Anything need to do. Tighten this bolt up real quick. 12. Make sure you don't over tighten this. I just learned my lesson on that. You gotta be real tight. Alright, starter is finally installed. Bolts tighten up. Power cord on that tight. Plug back up these sensors back up without unplugged. That'll be it. Put this intake manifold back on. So on this Honda, the starters are underneath the intake manifold. So I had to take off the whole intake manifold just to get to that starter. Take off the throttle body, I had to take off all those. So now all we gotta do is put connectors back together. So watch this. The bracket clip right on. See, now that's clipped in. This bracket goes on the intake manifold, so we're gonna leave this last. And that's the only thing I took loose. Throttle body, all that, a couple vacuum lines, and then we'll be done. Rags is out to keep the dirt and debris from going inside of that. Intake manifold better go on right now. Bow. Intake manifold on. Vacuum on that. Back on now. Okay. Try everything squared up. Right in now. Vacuum lines, put them in the back there where they're supposed to be. Vacuum lines back in place where they came from. All right, intake manifold is back on. As you see, intake manifold back on. Thing I do is put the bolts in there, put the throttle back on, put this hose back on that goes to that air box, and that's it. Boom, intake manifold bolted up. We got one more bolt down there. That is a 12 for the bracket that holds the intake manifold up. Put this clip back on. Back where it came from. Boop. Vacuum line back on. Put the throttle body back on. This goes onto here. Show you like that. That goes onto the throttle body bracket right there. That hole right there goes on like that. But I put the throttle body on. First, we're gonna get this 12mm bolt down there. Let's say intake manifold back on. Vacuum line back on. This vacuum line is back on. Thing we gotta do is put last vacuum back on. This little hose connection piece for the air intake, and we'll be starting this up in a few. Like that. Got everything buttoned up, everything back together exactly how it came off. Battery back in. Where the keys at? Oh, got the keys. Let's see. Thing start. Rah! Thing started now. Running though.